Dear students, in today's lecture we are going to learn about keys and relationships. Basically, this topic is related to a database management system where we will be learning primary key, ID field and table relationships. The first concept is of primary key. What does primary key means? A primary key is a special relationship database column or combination of columns designated to uniquely identify all table records. A primary key is used as a unique identifier to quickly parse the data within the database. Over here, the parse is a word that will be new to you, but it's frequently used in computer science. You may be consider it as describing analyzing and breakdown. A primary key is used as a unique identifier to quickly parse the data within database and find the relation between different tables. A relational database cannot have more than one primary key. Then the next topic we have identify a primary key. How can we identify a primary key in a table? The primary key consists of one or more columns whose data contained within are used to uniquely identify each row in a table. You can think of them as an address. If the rows in a table were mailbox, then the primary key would be the listing of street address. Next we have what is primary key and an example. Now we consider a primary key with its example. A primary key is either an existing table column or a column that is specifically generated by a database according to a defined sequence. There is a certain sequence in which a primary key is defined in a database. For example, students are routinely assigned unique identification number and all adults receive government assigned and uniquely identifiable social security numbers. What is a function of primary key? The main purpose of primary key is to implement a relationship between two tables in a relational database. Can a table have two primary keys? Yes, a table can have only one primary key which may consist of single or multiple fields. When multiple fields are used as a primary key, they are called composite key. If a table has a primary key defined on any field, then you cannot have two records having same value of that field. Then we have next, is it mandatory for a primary key to be given a value when a new record is inserted? Primary key must contain unique values. A primary key column cannot have null values. If a table has a primary key defined on any field, then you cannot have two records having same value of that. It means that each and every record will be having a different value. You cannot have same value in a column that is considered to be a primary key. The next concept is of ID field. An identity column is a column in a database table that is made up of values generated by database. ID field basically is designated as a primary key. Primary key is also called an ID field, or ID field can be known as a primary key, where it has a unique value of each record is indexed and identifies a record. An ID field is normally designated as a primary key and it is usually placed into a second table in order to create a relationship between them. Now examples of ID field can be admission number column, registration number column, employee number column, national identity card number, student GR number column and social security numbers. Just to remember that these things can become in ID field, or all these fields can be a primary key